Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can unlock your Electrolux washing machine. Now, this really depends what kind of type you have, but this is how you're going to do it. So, for example, for the first one, if you have, you're going to have always this kind of lock symbol near to two buttons or one button. So, for example, here it's between this one and this one if you have this kind of. Also, then it's going to be next to the silent. So for this Electrolux washing machine, silent. For another one, you're gonna have these two symbols right here. I don't know how they are called. So you're always gonna find this small lock there between those two symbols, and you just want to press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. Also for this one, it's going to be like soft plus, and here you're gonna find the symbol. So here you have to press soft plus for about 3 to 5 seconds. Also for this one right here that I prepared for you, you're gonna have a hygienic core. They just have to again press for 2 to 4 seconds and you're gonna unlock it. But primarily if you have older version, then it's going to be like this. You're gonna have the spinning and something, and you just want to press and hold these two buttons, right? And you're gonna unlock your Electrolux washing machine. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.